how to upload your video or your image in Google Drive. In this video, you will learn the 5 easy steps on how you can upload right now your files in Google. If you watch until the end of this video, you will get the top 3 reasons why these tools can help you as a business owner provide a secure and a reliable way to store your files and share your important media files, making collaboration and remote work more manageable. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie Noche. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. Let's go! Uploading images and video on Google Drive is important for business owners because it provides a secure and easy accessible platform to store and share important media files. By utilizing the Google Drive, business owners can ensure that their files are safe from loss or damages and can be accessed with an internet connection anywhere. Additionally, sharing files through Google Drive simplifies collaboration between team members and make it easy to share files with clients or partners. These features can save time and increase productivity, allowing business owners to focus on their more important tasks. Now, I'm going to show you the screen record tutorial on how to do this step by step using your desktop. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie Noche and I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ginawa ko on how to upload your image or your video file in Google Drive. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or tanong para sa video na to, and smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today and I'll see you on the next vlog.